Right. In the last class, we have successfully discussed about what is Angular. That means why everybody using nowadays framework to develop their application. Okay. And what is the use of the REST APIs? Everything we have discussed in the yesterday class. Okay, everyone. Right. Now today class we are going to discuss about what is the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript, and what is this MVC structure. All those things today class we are going to discuss. Okay, everybody. Right. So now one more time observe here everybody. Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework developed by Google company using TypeScript language only. So each and every framework or library has to develop by using any core language only. Okay, everybody. So with the help of the frameworks, we can develop our application faster. We can give basics, we can provide basic structure related to our application. What that basic structure includes security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs also. But same thing if you want to do it with any core language, minimum it will take 3 to 6 months time. Okay, minimum it will take 3 to 6 months time, depends upon your requirements and depends upon the application size. But but if you choose any framework within 5 minutes, within 5 minutes maximum, okay, we can download that framework, and within 5 to 10 minutes we can change the basic settings also, and immediately we can start the application development. That means within an hour we can start business related logics. Okay, right. But in the if you choose core language, it will take 3 to 6 months time to write real business related logics. That is why everybody using nowadays frameworks to develop the application. Ours is client side technology. Since it is a client side technology, okay, ours is a client side framework. Since it is a client side framework, we are not able to connect with the database. We are not able to connect with the database. Without connecting to the database, we are not able to display our data. We are not able to deal with the data. So then why are we using? So it is a client side technology. We are not able to connect with the database directly, but indirectly we are able to deal with the data. How? By using REST APIs. So by using this REST APIs, what we can do? Okay, we can able to manipulate the data. So what is the advantage of this REST APIs? Very simple. Two applications can communicate. Okay, two servers can communicate. Okay, two languages also can communicate. Two computer languages also can communicate. This is the advantage of the REST API. For example, if you use, if you know about PhonePe, if you see PhonePe, then what happens? We are using only one application, PhonePe application, but we are doing multiple works. We can recharge our amount. Sorry, we can recharge our mobile. We can pay our electricity bill. We can pay our LIC bill. We can pay our challans also. Okay, and we can pay our bike insurance also. Not only that, we can transfer the money also. We can transfer the money also. So we are doing multiple things by using only one application. If there is no phone pay, then what happens? Okay, each and every work we need to go to different applications. Mobile recharge, we need to go to Airtel application manually, or else Jio, or else BSNL manually. Okay, electricity bill, we need to go to the electricity application manually. LIC, we need to go to the LIC manually. Okay, then after transfer, we need to go to our bank accounts manually, bank related applications manually. But without doing all these things, simply if we have phone pay, all the things we are doing with only one application. How? By using this REST APIs. All these applications are sharing information with the phone pay. Since how they are able to say sharing? By using REST APIs only. Okay, so with the help of the REST APIs, what we are doing, we are dealing with the data, so that the data is updating appropriate applications also, so that we are we are getting time saving. Okay, instead of going to 4 different applications for remembering 4 different login and passwords, we are doing all those things with one application only. Understand everybody? So that we will do our work a little bit faster. Hello, this is advantage of the
Yes.
REST API. Okay, right. So this is client side technology. Now if we observe here, what is this? We are not discussing from the starting. TypeScript language. Okay, why? Because we need to know about this TypeScript also. Why? Because this Angular is developed by TypeScript language only. So then what is the meaning of this TypeScript? So TypeScript means, okay, what is that everybody? TypeScript means superset of type. What is TypeScript? TypeScript is nothing but superset of JavaScript developed by Microsoft company. Okay, what is this? What is the company developed? Microsoft company has developed this. Okay, TypeScript language. So what is this? TypeScript is nothing but superset of JavaScript. Superset of JavaScript means what? Modified version of JavaScript or else extended part of JavaScript. What is it, everybody? Modified version of JavaScript or else extended part of JavaScript. Okay, everybody, that is called superset of JavaScript. Which company developed this? Microsoft. Now tell me, who is the owner of Angular? Google or Microsoft? Angular developed by TypeScript. TypeScript, okay, and TypeScript developed by Microsoft. Okay, tell me, everybody, who is the owner of Angular? Google or Microsoft?
Google.
Google, correct. Why? Because whoever develops the application, whoever develops the product, they are the owner. Okay. For example, if you construct a home, who give you bricks? He is not the owner. You are the owner. For example, you want to construct a home. What will the thing you will do? You will purchase the bricks. Okay. For example, you are purchasing. Your name is A. You are purchasing from B. So B is selling you bricks. So we have purchased and we have constructed. Then who is the owner? You. That means A will be the owner, not the B. B role is just okay, selling the bricks only. Understanding right? Respond everyone. Hello.
Sir.
What about others? Why are you silent everyone? Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Right. In the same way, Microsoft developed TypeScript. By using TypeScript, if you develop any application, you are the owner, not the Microsoft persons. Microsoft persons are owners for, okay, TypeScript language. With the help of language, if you are developing anything, so for that application, you will be the one. Okay, remember that, everybody. Okay, right. This is completed. So now what is this JavaScript modified version? What is this? TypeScript is superset of JavaScript. Superset of JavaScript means what? Modified version of the JavaScript or else extended part of JavaScript. For example, if you observe there, you have taken A into your hands and you have modified as B. Now there is difference or not between A and B? You have taken A into your hands and you have modified as B. Now there will be difference or not after modification, before modification?
Yes.
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 Okay, right. Sorry, everybody. So there is a different, definitely there is modifications. Okay, that means that definitely there is a differences. Then what are the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript? What are the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript? So first thing is JS stands for JavaScript. JS is loosely typed language. What is it, everybody? JS is loosely typed language. TS is strictly typed language. What is this? JS is loosely typed language. TS is strictly typed language. Clear it, everyone? TS is strictly typed language. So what is this loosely typed and strictly typed? Loosely typed means we can type with dancing. Strictly typed means with the serious face we need to type. No. Here typed means related to data types. Okay, everybody? Right, related to data types. So what is this data types? So for example, we are learning this framework. Why? To develop the application. Whenever we are developing the application, what we need to do? We need to deal with the data. So whenever you want to deal with the data, there is different types of data will be there. So to handle different types of data, there is data types in every language. To handle different types of data, there is data types in the language. Are you clear? Okay, everybody. Right. But in which languages? Okay, in the strictly typed languages, we need to specify the data types. But in the loosely typed languages, no need to specify the data types. For example, JavaScript is what? Loosely typed language. So whenever you are dealing with data, just we need to assign to a variable. That's it. No need to specify what type of data that variable has to accept. Okay, but in TypeScript, we need to specify that. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Right. For
No.
example, observe here everybody, I am declaring here line number 43 where x equal to 10. Okay, what I'm doing, 10 is a value and I'm assigning to x, but this x is not an alphabet. This has to consider like a variable. This has to consider like a variable. To consider like a variable, we are using var keyword. Okay, we are using var keyword. Sir, I don't know at least variable also. No need to worry anything. Tomorrow onwards, I will start the TypeScript. I will explain you from the variables also. Okay, variables and different types of functions. Then after oops concepts. Okay, everybody, right? So var x equal to 10. So then whenever you are writing var in front of the keyword, then what happens? This okay, this JavaScript language understand this x is a variable. So wherever you call this x, it will call this value one. This is the advantage of the variables. Okay, wherever you print this x, this will print the 10 only. Okay, right. So whatever it may be, what type of data this 10 is? Number. But I am specifying here data type as number. Respond everyone. Yeah, am I specifying here data type as number?
No,
No. Why? Because JavaScript
because
is
it is
loosely typed. Yeah, loosely typed language. So no need to specify the data type. And in the next line, I am writing here x equal to Ramesh. First line number 43, I am writing as x equal to 10. Next line, I am reinitializing with Ramesh with a different value. Variable name is same, x only, but I am assigning a different value. Okay, what is that? Ramesh. What is this Ramesh? Alphabets. So whenever you want to write alphabets, we must write in the double quotations or single quotations. So whenever you write anything in the single quotation or double quotation, then automatically that language will consider as a string only. For example, if you write here double quotations 10 also, JavaScript will treat this 10 as a string. Why? Because you are writing double quotations. Double quotations also, single quotations also, if you write anything, it will treat like a string only. Clear it, everybody? Respond.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So if you observe here, line number 43 I have written as number. Line number 44 I am writing as a string. Okay, everyone. So now I am printing that in the console.log area. Now what is the output I will get? Respond, everyone. What is the output I will get?
Ramesh.
Ramesh.
What is it, everybody?
Ramesh.
Ramesh.
Ramesh. Why? Because this is a loosely typed language. Since this is a loosely typed language, it is not worrying about this data. So it is worrying about only latest data only. So whatever the latest data we have, that output we are getting. Okay, this is about JavaScript. So 10 also, next line string also, next line boolean also, there is no problem. We'll get the latest data only. Okay, right. Output will be Ramesh. Perfect. Now here I'm writing where x equal to 10, but where in the TypeScript. TS is what? TypeScript is what? Strictly typed language. Okay, everybody. But here I am specifying the data type. Respond, everyone.
No, not yet.
No, not. Okay, we are not specifying. But I am trying to print the data, that variable here. Now respond, everyone. What is the output I will get? 10 or error? I am not specifying the. Hello?
We will get error.
Error. Okay, right. So there is no wrong to tell this answer. Okay, everybody thinks there we will get error, but actually TypeScript has a beautiful feature. What is that? Depends upon the first value. Depends upon, remember, not depends upon value. Depends upon first value. First is important here. Okay, depends upon the first value. Automatically that variable will take the data type also. Automatically that variable will take the data type also. Okay, everybody, right? Here 10 is the value, x is the variable. How I am telling that x is a variable? Because before this x there is a var keyword. Okay, so var x equal to 10. This is what I am getting. Okay, everybody, right? So then what happens? I am not specifying their data type, but still what is the output will get 10 only. Why? Because depends upon the first value, automatically it will assign the data type also. Clear it, everyone? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, right. Of course, in the next line, I'm writing here x equal to 25. So here, what is the first line? Line number 51 or 52? What is the first value? 51 only.
51.
What is it? Yeah. So now what is the output I will get? 10, 25 or error?
25.
25. Why? Because it is accepting the data type as number. So in the next line also I am assigning the data as number only. 25 also number. So it is always focused on the latest data. For example, now I am keeping this 25 in the double quotation. Now what is the output I will get? 10, 25 or
Yes.
error?
Error.
Error. Why? Because if you are assigning data type manually, or if you are okay, or else it is taking manually, whatever it may be. So however it is taking the data type as number only. Then what happens? Every time it will accept only numbers as the data. But here what are you doing? You are assigning the data as a alphabet. Okay, everyone. Right. That's why since data type and data is not matching, we will get an error. Okay, everybody, we will get an error. Okay.
Sir, like one question, sir. If what if on line number 51 we are keeping string as data type first? I mean, we will keep variable x is equal to 25 in double quotes. So in that case, will it still consider 25 as number?
That means if you remember, if you remove this,
No. If we will keep where x
yeah,
and
okay.
10 in double quotes, let's keep 10 in double quotes now.
Yeah, then it will accept this 25. Yes, that's what I'm telling. Depends upon the first value. I told it clearly.
Okay,
Depends
okay.
upon first value. Okay, automatically it will take the data type.
Okay.
Okay.
It doesn't matter whether it is number, string, or any other data type.
Yeah, no.
Okay,
Depends upon the first value. Okay, I mean
Okay.
depends upon the
Okay.
first value. Right.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Now here I'm writing x equal to Ramesh. Then what happens? Data type and data is not matching. We will get string error only. Okay. Right. This is the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript. Okay. Right. And second thing is what? Parameters count and arguments count. No need to match in JavaScript. Okay, everybody? Right. Give me a second. Yeah, sorry everyone. Right. So are you clear about this first point? Respond everybody. Steve and Chaitanya.
Yes.
Okay, right. Saurabh, Ravi, Jagan Mohan, everybody.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, right. Yeah, this is the first point. Okay, everybody. So if you are assigning the data type, sir, I want to assign the data type manually. Then how can I assign? Very simple. After X, this is the postfix data type, not prefix. Some languages here before the variable we need to write integer, something like this. But this is postfix. Okay, everybody, what is this? Postfix. That means after a variable we need to write. What is this number? So how to declare this X as a variable and how to declare this as a data type? Very simple. Separating with colon. Separating with colon. X colon number equal to 10. Clear it, everybody? X colon number equal to 10. Then what happens? This is the data type. This is the variable. This is the value. Here there is no int data type in the TypeScript. There is only number. Okay. It will accept two types of values. Directly numbers and the decimal values also it will accept. Decimal values also it will accept. Clear it, everybody? Clear respond. Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. So this is about this. So, but if you are assigning manually or else if it is taking automatically also, once it has taken the data type, always it will accept that type of data only. Right. And second thing is what? Parameters count and arguments count. No need to match in JavaScript because unmatched parameter value will becomes undefined automatically. Here, okay, what is this language? JavaScript. But here, TypeScript, what happens? Parameters count and arguments count should match in TypeScript. What is it, everyone? Parameters count and arguments count should match in TypeScript. Clear it, everybody? Here parameters count and arguments count, no need to match in JavaScript because unmatched parameter value will become undefined automatically. But here parameters count and arguments count should match in TypeScript. Sir, what is these parameters and arguments? We are new to the TypeScript, of course. Tomorrow onwards I will discuss with you, but normally I am telling. So why we need to use these parameters and arguments is whenever you are working with functions. Sir, why we need to work with function? So whenever you are developing the application, we need to deal with different functionality. Sometimes we need to insert, sometimes we need to update, sometimes we need to retrieve, sometimes we need to delete. So different applications. Okay, sorry, different functionalities we need to perform. Okay, everyone, different these things. What is that? Operations we need to perform. Adding also, multiplication also, whatever it may be, we need to perform. So to perform different functionalities, we need to write functions. So whenever you are writing functions, sometimes directly to the function we need to send the data. Sometimes data we need to send it to the function only. Data we need to send it to the function only. So if you want to send the data directly to the function, in that case you need to deal with the arguments and the parameters. Okay, right. So coming to this JavaScript, how many arguments we are sending? No need to have that many parameters. But coming to this TypeScript, how many arguments we are sending? We must have that many parameters. For example, if you observe here, I am writing here a function name add. Okay, so if we want to add minimum, how many numbers we require? If we want to add minimum, how many numbers we require? Don't be silent, everybody.
2.
Minimum 2 numbers. What is that, everybody? Minimum we require 2 numbers. Okay, everyone, right? But here I'm so 2 numbers. So that's why I written here 2 parameters, and I'm trying to add here also. Okay, but where I'm writing inside this function. So whenever you write anything inside your function, whenever you write anything, any instruction, one or multiple instructions, one instruction also, multiple instructions also. Okay, if you are writing anything inside a function, that instructions does not call automatically, does not execute automatically. Whenever you write instructions, one or more, one or multiple inside a function, that instructions does not execute automatically. We need to call that function, then only that instructions will be executed. So here we are calling that function add. So if we are sending values, whenever you are calling a function, that values can be called as arguments. Okay, whenever you are sending values, whenever you are calling a function, calling means invoking also. Professionally we can call invoking. So whenever you are invoking a function, at that time we are sending the values, that values can be called as arguments. To hold these arguments, that function should have parameters. Where we need to specify the parameter? Wherever you are declaring the function. This line 62 is called as declaration. 65 can be called as invoking a function. Clear it, everybody? Respond, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So here I am writing add 6. So how many parameters I am specifying here? 2 parameters. How many arguments generally we need to send? 2 arguments. But how many I am sending? Only 1. So now as per the description, tell me what is the output I will get.
We'll get
So JS is
undefined
undefined.
functions.
Undefined.
Yeah, undefined. Okay, right. Others? Right. Actually, we'll get output as nan. What is that, everybody? Nan. Why? Unmatched parameter value will become undefined, but not matched. So here, what is the rule? Arguments will hold with the parameter. That is the rule. But how they will align? Sorry, how they will assign? So arguments will assign to parameters respectively. What is the meaning of respectively? First argument, first parameter. Second argument, second parameter. Third argument, third parameter. Like that they will assign. So here, what is the how many arguments we have? 1. But here we have 2 parameters. So first argument will assign to first parameter. So a value will become 6. But here what is the unmatched parameter? B. Then what is the value? It will become unmatched parameter value will become what? Undefined. So a means 6. 6 is a number. B means undefined. Undefined itself a value. So number plus number equal to number. For example, 6 is a number plus 4. 4 also a number. So number plus number equal to what? 10 is a number only. 6 plus 4 is what? 10. 10 also a number. Number plus number equal to number. Number plus string equal to string. String plus number equal to string only. Okay, everybody. So left side and right side of this plus values. Left side and right side of this plus values. Both are numbers. Then this plus will work like a arithmetic operator. Then this plus will work like a arithmetic operator. Clear it, everybody? So then what happens whenever it is working like arithmetic operator, it will add. But any one of the value is a string. Left side or right side of the plus. Any one of the value is a string. Then it will called as, then it will written as a concatenation operator. Yeah. Then it will work as a concatenation operator. So that what happens, it will just combine the numbers. Or else it will just combine the values. Okay, understand it, everybody? For example, if you are sending here 6, 4, output will be 10. For example, if you are sending like this, 4 in the double quotation, then it will, what is the output I will get?
6, 4.
No, 6, 4. They will keep side by side. It will look like 64. Okay, but they are keeping 6 and 4 side by side. Just they are keeping 6 and 4 side by side. That will look like 64. But actually, that is not 64, 6 and 4 only. Okay, right. So number plus number equal to number, number plus string equal to string, string plus number are also string only. But here 6 is a number, A is a number, 6, but B value will become undefined. So number plus no value, then what happens? Not a number. JavaScript doesn't tell, I don't know anything, something like that. Not a number, it will tell. Okay, what is that, everybody? Not a number, not a number. So output will be none. Clear it, everyone? Please ask for. Hello? So A value is 6, B value is undefined. So number plus undefined equal to not a number, because it is not able to add. If there is any value, it can able to add. For example, 6 plus 0, 6. 0 also a number. Of course, 0 means no value, but that is not the correct way. Okay, don't think like that. So B value means what? Nothing. There is no, nothing is defined. Okay, nothing is defined. So it is unable to add. That's why it is tell not a number. Clear it, everybody? Respond, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, right. Same thing I am doing with TypeScript. What is that? 2 parameters, but only 1 argument. What is the rule of the TypeScript? Parameters count and arguments count should match. What is it, everybody? Parameters count and arguments count should match. But here we are sending only 1 argument, but here we are writing only 2 parameters. Then what is the output I will get?
Error.
Error.
Is it, everybody?
Undefined.
Error. No, error. Why? Here no need to match. Unmatched parameter value will become undefined. But here they should match. Should match means what? We must follow that rule. Okay. For example, in India, metropolitan cities, helmet is mandatory. For example, Hyderabad also, Bangalore also, Mumbai, whatever it may be, helmet is mandatory. Okay. You should wear a helmet whenever you are riding a bike. Okay. For example, if you don't wear a bike, if you don't wear a helmet, what happens? The traffic constable will give you a challan. So we must pay that money. Understand that? Why he is giving challan? Because we are not following the rule. So whenever you don't follow any rule, offline or online, okay, everybody, we need to pay something. So here also the rule is we must follow this. What is that? Parameters count, arguments count, we should match. But we are not following that rule. Then what happens? We will get error. Clear it, everybody? Hello?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Are you clear about these 2 points? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So yeah, leave it like this, everybody. Actually, I want to continue up to these 4 points also, but I'm getting a little bit throat pain. If you don't mind, we'll discuss about tomorrow. Okay, everyone. Hello.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's okay, sir.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much, everybody. This is a class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet. We'll discuss about the rest of the 2 points also. Then after we'll discuss about MVC structure also. Okay, everybody. Right.
Sir, notes we are not getting, sir.
One
Daily
second.
notes we are not getting. Please, can you?
This notes you are expecting?
Yes, at least I mean we can revise. No.
Okay, this notes I will give you. Okay, this notes I will upload in the drive. Okay, Amir, I will give you the access. So, but
Okay,
not
sir.
not right now today. Amir, tomorrow I will take all the emails whoever made the payment. So tomorrow I will give you these notes. Okay,
Okay,
Amit,
no
you
issue,
can-
no problem, no
Okay,
problem.
right.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay,
Thank-
sir.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Hello.
One
Hello.
second. Yeah. Tell me, Steve.
I completed the payment today.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
Steve. Thank you for your payment. So I will take everyone's email. I will ask them today or tomorrow. Okay. I will give all
Yeah.
the pre-recorded videos and these notes also I will
Yeah.
upload. Okay, Steve.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks you, Steve. Thank
So you can give me your email or WhatsApp
My email-
number.
No. I should not share my number with anybody. I'm giving you my email address.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. 1 second, everyone.
Okay.
Yes. I'm.
Okay.
This is what I'm. Ramesh Online Trainer 01. Okay, everybody.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Thank you, Saurabh. Yes. Thank you very much. Ramesh Online
Okay.
Trainer 01. Okay. Right. Thank you.
Okay. I'll follow
Yeah.
up.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much, everybody. Okay. Right. Thank you very much. So we'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.